yeah, guys, it's been confirmed that this hairstyle have that thing, guys, in Lando ya success. This is after Zozibini Tunzi win Miss Universe. No siyabonga kolisi naye bebuye ne cup ye rugby, and guys baningi abanye banayo le hairstyle le ye success. Rebecca Malaba jabuhlongwane ithande ka Don King anele mdoda Nandi Madida masechaba Ndlovu unga eda ke nawe guys wakho umuntu omcabangayo ona le hairstyle. And yeah, please leave your comment below. I love you so much, guys. Yes, bye.
Congratulations kumngani wami uZozibini. Zozibini, you've made us very proud. Thina ke bantu the hairstyle your success. It's out in the universe. This is the hairstyle of success, hairstyle of the year, hairstyle of the season, hairstyle it's out in the universe, Betunana. We are the people of the universe. Tina Bama hairstyle. Hashtag Kosi did this hairstyle. So no kemanifuna. Nitola Kosi.